Good morning. Welcome to the Shepard Elementary Newscast.
Today is Thursday, September 8, 2022.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and the moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today's announcements. Please post attendance between 8:20 and 8:30 a.m. The iReady diagnostic windows have been extended just a couple more days. If any of your students were not able to complete the diagnostics last week, please make sure they get done ASAP. Uniform policy. If a student comes into the building with a non-uniform outerwear, they will need to remove it. At no time should a student be allowed to wear a hoodie on their head. If they are wearing a uniform solid-colored jacket or sweatshirt that has a hood, they must tuck the hood into the back. Late duty. September 7th is Miss Moore. September 8th is Miss Bertolino. September 9th is Miss Zimlich. September 12th is Miss Stowe. September 13th is Miss Shaver. September 14th is Miss Weaver. September 15th is Miss Tarver. And September 16th is Miss Tompkins.
Mid-quarter progress reports. The district will export all grades from Schoology on September 9th. All grades must be entered prior to this date. Progress reports will be printed on September 12th. Please make sure that your grades are up to date and accurate in Schoology. You should have multiple grades for each subject at this point in the quarter. Once this export takes place, there will not be the option to enter correct grades for progress reports. Please print weekly grade books for each course or keep an updated electronic copy each week, just in case.
Important dates. September 9th is Grandparents' Day lunch, Kona Ice, phonics first deadline, and all grades must be entered. September 12th is progress reports printed, faculty meeting, and all mandatory districts training and vector must be complete. September 14th is mandatory reporting PD during planning periods and allocates deadline. September 21st is fall makeup picture day. October 7th is the end of first quarter, and October 10th is no school.
Kona Ice, Friday.
Remember to bring your money because Kona Ice will be during everyone's PE time.
That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday.